Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's get a closer look at this beautiful Moana doll. I love this doll. I love the fact that she isn't stick thin. She is so flexible and she is just a gorgeous young girl. Moana came along and just blew everyone out of the water, no pun intended, with her fantastic singing, her Polynesian look, and just her general islander vibe that everyone loves. I love the detail they go to with this, having the similar skirt like the Polynesian styles, and also having that luscious, beautiful hair as many of the Polynesians do. I think it's really great for little girls to see themselves represented this way, and I know living on the islands, I see little kids running around with Moana all the time because they adore her so much. So I really think, aside from me as an adult absolutely loving this, and I genuinely get caught singing Moana songs all the time, you can definitely say you're welcome to any kid that thanks you for getting it for them. I think she's absolutely beautiful, but that's just my point of view.